What's up, YouTube fam? This is more informational. I won't have a lot of live data. I am currently driving down the road. Got a 2004 Chevy Silverado 1500 two-wheel drive, 5.3 engine, cat eye truck. Obviously, if you can't tell by the interior. This vehicle came in for bank one being dead. What I mean by that, multiple misfires only on the driver's side bank. Did the basics, pulled O2 sensor out, and it ran better. So sent a camera in. Cat had melted, and the reason the cat had melted, after cats were replaced, obviously we changed O2 sensors, and well, misfire just went away. So I decided to do some homework for you guys. I installed all four of the old O2 sensors into this Y-pipe system, and the misfire came back. Started changing one at a time to narrow down which one was the culprit for the problem. Found out bank one, sensor one, had an internal short, and it was reading a false positive on fuel trims on the scanner. And whenever it got hot, obviously fuel trims need to change. The fuel trims would not change with that sensor. So keep that in mind. If you have a customer with an O2 sensor code with no cat codes present, then I would probably lean towards changing an O2 sensor before just loading up the parts cannon and selling $3,000 worth of cats, depending on what state you're in. Ours aren't that expensive, but I've seen them that high. So just keep an eye out. You lose an entire bank and all your injections good, your sparks good, all that's good. Don't rule out an O2 sensor even if there's no codes, because this truck had zero codes for any O2 sensors at all. The computer was just dumb to it. But I'm getting her on the highway and she's doing great. So just keep an eye out. O2 sensors can lie to you, and the readings on the scanners can lie to you. 2 O2 sensors, well, technically we replaced 4, but 2 O2 sensors with this Y-pipe would have fixed the lady's problem, and the truck's doing great. So don't follow the scanner, y'all.